Welcome to the course on building applications and systems across various fields and industries using Link Unified. This video will guide you on how to create an online ordering and delivery management application for restaurants, cafes, clothing stores, and more. Let's say you want to build a system that allows customers to place food orders online. You also want to manage the process from preparing and delivering orders to collecting customer feedback and allow customers to be able to track the entire process. First, let's clarify the process steps of the application. 1. Customers place orders online. 2. Order preparation. 3. Order transportation. 4. Delivery. 5. Customer feedback. Start by creating a data form named Online Ordering, and click on the design link to access the design area. Here, create 5 data blocks corresponding to the 5 steps in the mentioned process. Then, add the necessary data fields to each data block. In the first data block, create an info board field that includes images introducing the restaurant or menu items. Note that you should upload these images to the resources section first. Then, return to the field, go to Advanced Options, choose the images type, and add images from resources here. Next, create fields related to customer information. You can use the ABC Automatic Binding Calculator field to automatically return the customer's name. Then, create a table field for customers to enter order details with 4 columns: name, quantity, unit price, and total amount. The item name field belongs to the select type. List the available dishes in the restaurant as data sources and remember to set the corresponding numerical values for their prices. The unit price field belongs to the formula type. Set the return type as number and use field functions to retrieve the numerical value from the previously set item name field. For the total amount field, call 2 variables corresponding to the values in the unit price and quantity fields. The total amount will then be the product of these 2 variables. It's quite straightforward. In the Summary tab of the Total Amount field, add the sum function. Now, when customers select items and quantities, the system will automatically calculate the corresponding total amounts for each item and sum up the final amount that the customer needs to pay. Next, create fields related to payment methods, seller's account information, and a file attachment field for customers to attach payment proof documents. Finally, create an approval field to manage and confirm the orders. Set up the approval person by right-clicking on the field and selecting Approval Config. Additionally, you can add an option called Return in case the customer selects a dish that is out of stock. The system will send a notification to the customer to choose a different option. For the next data blocks, it's quite simple. You only need to add a Boolean field for the responsible person to tick when the corresponding step is completed. In the delivery step, in the case of cash on delivery, create a file attachment field for customers to attach a photo of the payment receipt if needed. Lastly, create a block to record customer reviews based on criteria like food taste, food hygiene, delivery process, etc. This block should include info board fields, select fields, and appropriate text fields. For the select fields, you can choose display types like radio group or select. By doing this, you've built the basic structure of an online ordering system for your restaurant. Now, scroll down to the partition and activate the Open Form feature. Add the appropriate users to the Users section so they can view all the system's data. Then, in the second data block, tick the Custom box, open the Security tab, and add the responsible employees for that step to the list. Assign input permissions to them by selecting Can Input. Note that these individuals must be listed in the Users section above. At the Customer Review step, enable the Allow Record Submitter input feature so customers can provide their own reviews. Then, you can attach the data entry link or QR code to your business's website, allowing customers to access online ordering. After customers select dishes and place orders, the system will send notifications to managers to review and approve the orders. In case the order dish is out of stock, the manager can choose to send it back to the customer for order correction. If the order is approved and moves to the next step, customers will receive notifications about each step's progress to track the delivery status. After successful delivery, the system will send a notification for customers to provide reviews on the purchased orders. In this way, both restaurant managers and customers can monitor delivery progress, payment status, and receive feedback to improve the quality and service of the restaurant. Thank you for following this video.